Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can view your favorites on TikTok. Okay, so this is very straightforward and simple. So I'm just going to open up the TikTok app. Once you're on the home page of TikTok, you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And now this is different to your liked videos. Yeah, this button right here is your liked videos. That's not what we want to tap on in order to see our favorites. When you favorite something and you want to view it again later, you have to tap on this specific bookmark button right there. So if I tap on that, you can see these are all my favorite videos, and you can tap on a collection. You can either create a new collection from here, or you could just tap on any one of your collections. So I'll tap on this one right here, and then you can see I have 2 videos in that favorites collection, and then you can just go ahead and watch them from here. Then you can go back and you can watch the next one, and so on and so forth. So that's how you see your favorites on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.